So somewhere, according to the news, there's some rotation that is dropping over here. Somewhere. Not 100% sure yet. That looks pretty. Not sure where exactly. It's just right over the state line. And, yeah. I know this is crazy. Not really car related. But it is slowing down the progress for the vehicles and the projects. But I figure I'd give y'all a chance to, some of y'all have never witnessed this stuff. This is like an every year thing, all the time. And usually several times a year. So it's nothing new. Some people freak out. And others, like the meme suggest, hey, let's go up and look at the clouds. We're so used to it that that's really what we do. And here comes the wind. One thing I'm not used to though is tornado sirens going off, and I still haven't seen any lightning, heard any thunder, or felt any rain. Oh, I don't like it. You probably can't see it in my camera. But yeah, just grabbed, just picked up. Ah, crap. Yeah, that's too quick, too sudden. Oh shit. Sorry. Oh.